Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product that I received. It is a mini message gun, okay? It looks like this, and I think this one really it will be a perfect gift because, well, I think that everyone likes the message, and this one, when we open it, it looks like this. It has here like a bag to protect the gun. Then we have the, I think that it's like the manual here, this one. Then we have obviously the mini message gun, okay, it looks like this. Then we have, oh, this one, it is perfect for like having it like this, okay, in your hand. Then we have the charger, and okay, these ones are like heads for the gun, okay, but I think that you need to read the user manual for knowing like for what type of muscle or in like this where you can use it in your body, okay, and also this one. So I'm going to be using it this one, and let's see where we can use it, okay? Okay, the mini message, it looks like this. Here it goes the different type of head. Okay, we put it, and then down it is the bottom to turn it on and turn it off. So we are turning it on, and look. Okay, for example, I can put it here in the back part, and wow, it feels incredible. Okay, I can use it here. I like it because it is super small. I'm going to put it like this. Okay, or maybe use it in the arm. Okay, really you need to try it. It feels incredible, and I like it because I have like one super big, and really it's super I like more this one because you can have it in your bag, in your car, and it works perfectly, okay? Whoa, it feels super good. And well, here it is you can change it like the intensity, just pressing one time. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels, okay? Look, it turns off, and then here it is the battery, the charger, well, like the pot for the charger, and that's it, all of the product. Like you can see, it's like the size of my hand, so I like it a lot, and it's incredible.